Hi, I'm Enrico Colantoni. When I walk by a pet store and I see a cute little puppy, I ask myself how it got there and where are its parents. And now I know that its parents are probably suffering silently in a puppy mill. A puppy mill is exactly what it sounds like. It's a mill for puppies. They produce puppies. The parents are in a cage, given the bare minimum of care, sometimes not even clean water. They sit, they stand, they lay in this world, often in their own filth, and literally never allowed to go outside. A mother is forced to breed during every heat cycle. The puppies are then taken away prematurely, put in trucks, and driven sometimes hundreds of miles away to pet stores. And if they're not sick or dead by the time they get there, they're sold at astronomical prices. The pet stores will tell you that they don't use puppy mills, that their puppies are raised by families, but don't be fooled, because a reputable breeder will never sell to a pet store. Companion Animal Protection Society is committed to stopping the cruelty. Through protests and investigations and legislation, CAPS works with cities to ban the sale of animals in pet stores. And you can help by getting yourselves educated. Go to www.caps-web.org and find out the truth. Because when you think that you're protecting and saving that little puppy in the window, what you're really doing is condemning their parents to a brutal life in a cage.